My name is Usman Wajid. I'm the Technical Director at Information Catalyst. Information Catalyst, or ICE, is a technology provider SME operating in UK and in Spain. ICE is at the forefront of many digital development platform initiatives funded by European Commission's Research and Innovation Programme. Nurturing innovation is at the core of our values. Our experts are involved in collaborations with over 200 organizations across Europe, representing excellence in research and innovation that Europe has to offer. ICE is the project manager of this flagship European project. We are managing the activities of 30 partner organizations to develop a connected factory platform and federated ecosystem for agile manufacturing. ICE is also developing some of the key components and innovations in the project, such as an AI-based anomaly detection solution for manufacturing companies. The project provides us an opportunity to develop and validate solutions in diverse industrial environments. It allows us to enhance our product offerings with novel concepts and techniques that are increasingly being sought in the digital manufacturing domain. Our wider interests are in the establishment of an ecosystem of digital innovation, and we contribute towards this goal by participating in standardization and sustainability initiatives. ICE offers its expertise in big data technologies and digital workflow solutions. We are interested in working with entities who are either interested in applying our solutions in the industrial environments or developing related functionalities.